Maganda umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala. Isa lang pong subscribe, likes, and share. So, bibigyan ko po kayo ng general reading para po sa Monday, okay? April 13 to April 19. So, let's see the energy surrounding para sa inyo. Simula po tayo sa inyong love and romance, okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the moon. Yan ha. At narito yung tinatawag na the chariot, di ba? So, meron ditong, it's like masasurpresa kayo, okay? Someone, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, may pupunta sa iyo, either pupunta sa iyo, maaring tatawag sa iyo, or susulat sa iyo, okay? Ibig sabihin nito, magtatapat ng kanyang pag-ibig. Yan ha, okay? Meron ditong very, very attractive sa inyo. Okay? Magtatapat siya ng pag-ibig niya. Okay? Ng kanyang layunin. Okay? Oo. So, narito ang tinatawag na the Three of Wands. Okay? To the Nine of Swords. Yan ha? So, ibig sabihin nito, hindi na niya kayang dalhin sa dibdib niya. Okay? Kailangan ito i-release na niya. Okay? So, naghahanap lang siya ng pagkakataon. It's like tinatawag timing. Kung kailan niya ito sasabihin sa inyo. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the 20, ano gaan 20? Ano gaan 20? Okay? Mars, Pluto. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na judgment. Okay? Yan. So, ito the page of wands. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na bago ito. Okay? Yan. It's like, bagong pag-ibig. Yan na. Bagong pag-ibig. Yan. So, ang nakita ko itong taong ito is tinatawag na hindi na niya madala sa kanyang loob. Okay? Yan. Ang kanyang tinatawag na damdamin sa inyo. Okay? Let's see your career. So, narito ang tinatawag the page of water. Okay? So, narito ang tinatawag na the Three of Swords. Sa inyong career, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na meron it's like pagdaramdam. Yan ha? Okay? Ano yung pagdaramdam na yun? Okay. Maaring ito yung tinatawag jealousy. Yan ha, okay. Jealousy. Yan. It's like tinatawag na mayroong position. Okay, let's say there is a position, hindi nila nakuha. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, natalo mo sila. Hindi nila matanggap yung katalunan. Na ikaw lang ang tumalo sa kanila. Okay? So, whatever is this, ibig sabihin, yung tinatawag cross path, you have to decide. Yan ha? You have to decide saan. It's like there is a calling, okay? There is an opening. Maybe ito yung tinatawag na career na magdadala sa iyo sa tinatawag na wealth, but it's in another direction. It's like tinatawag it's sa ibang, halimbawa, on the other side of the world, di ba? You have to decide. Yan ha? Siguro ibig sabihin nito may magdadamdam. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito maybe ikaw is may asawa pero you have a calling, di ba? Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, maybe masyado silang humanga sa inyo, di ba? So, napakaganda ng offer na ito. Okay, yan. Nga lang, meron kang dapat ditong isakripisyo na relationship. Yan ha? Maaring sabihin na natin meron kang halimbawa yung career mo dito, di ba, kung halimbawa dito ka nasa Europa, magdadamdam sila na iniwan mo sila, or if you are already married, di ba, kung saan ka itatransfer, it's like itatransfer ka so merong magdurusa, di ba, isasakripisyo mo isang relationship. Yan ha, dahil napakaganda nito. It's about your future will become very, very bright, di ba? So let's see the money. Your money. Okay? So you have to decide, okay? Dahil may masasaktan. It's like they are not ready, okay? Once you leave them, hindi, okay? So it's about your money. Yan, ibig sabihin nito, mukhang yayaman kayo, narito on the stars, di ba? There is a very, very big transition when it comes to your money. There is a gains, di ba? Yan. So, ayan na, the 7 of Cups. Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, everything makukuha mo. It's like, lahat mabibili mo. Okay? So, naririto, ang tinatawag, isa na ang tinatawag na magpa-profit sa pera is your family. Okay? Yan. Kung ano man ito. Di ba? Yan, oh. It's like everything. Okay? Yan. Everything you see, mapapasa iyo. At the most na magpa-profit is your family. Okay? Parents, siblings, di ba? Yan. So you have a good, very, very good relationship. Your family loves you, di ba? Because you're a very, very good provider, di ba? Yan. You're a very, very good provider. Yan ha. You take good care of your family, your mother, your father, your siblings, your animals, di ba? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag, it's like fountain of wealth, di ba? Yan. Hindi ito mauubos. Yan ha. So, let's see. Okay. Other people saying about you. Narito ang tinatawag na the King of Wands. Okay? Bakit ilang beses itong lumalabas yung tinatawag na they cannot contact you. Okay? It's like you are ignoring them. Diba? Yan. Masyado kayong focus. Diba? Yan. Kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, hindi kayo yung tinatawag, halimbawa, let's say, sabihin na natin, they want to invite you. Diba? Yan. Ayaw mo. Okay? It's like ayaw mo. Dahil masyado kayong focus kung ano itong ginagawa ninyo. Okay? Unbothered. Di ba? Ayaw mong iwan. Parang meron kang bagay na ayaw iwan. Di ba? Mahirap ka. It's like you are closing. Isinasara mo ang sarili mo sa kanila. Di ba? You don't want to be disturbed, ang nakikita ko. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na family. Okay? It's like there is a celebration, nagkakaisa-isa sila, di ba? Maybe they are talking about you. They're talking about you a lot. Okay? Nakikita dyan. And they misses you. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the doer. Okay? The doer. Sila doer. Okay? May bibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, they will contact you. Okay? Family, friends, di ba? People from the past, kung sino man sila. Okay? Maybe they will invite you. Okay? Ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag na, pansinin mo naman sila. Okay? Yan, pansinin mo. Okay? They want your time. Okay? A piece of your time, a piece of your attention. Okay? Let's see the tinatawag na okay, the message and the advice from the universe para sa mga Gemini, okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the death, okay? The transition, okay? Ito ang tinatawag for you is a transition, a very, very big transition, okay? So, ibig sabihin there is a rebirth, di ba? Whatever is this, magkakaroon dito ng rebirth, di ba? It's like tinatawag na maybe an investment, a hobby, a project, diba? Anong tawag dito? Tindahan, business, diba? Yan. So, for some of you, ito yung tinatawag na generosity. The universe will be very, very generous sa inyo. Okay? Yan. So, nakikita rin dito yung tinatawag eternal love. Okay? Yan, no? It's about their eternal love. Yan, no? Diba? Of your friends, family. Diba? Okay. Kung sino naman itong mga taong ito. Yan, ha? Okay, yan, no? Eternal love. Okay? So, nakikita din dito yung tinatawag, you must think on your feet. Yan, no? You must think. Okay? Pag-isipin mo din ang sarili mo. Okay? Yan, ha? Okay. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, some people, they want to collaborate. Okay? There are so many people wants to collaborate. Maraming gustong makipag-collaborate sa inyo. Yan, ha? Ito. Yan. Gusto nilang makipag-collaborate, ha? Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, watch your words, okay? Because your words, ibig sabihin nito, pwedeng makasakit. Yan na, watch your words.